In the vast realm of the digital universe, two powerful forces reign supreme: radio wave and microwave.
Hey there, I'm radio, spreading connectivity with my soothing waves.
And I'm micro, stepping through the digital landscape at the speed of light.
Let's see which one of us can navigate this intricate network faster and more efficiently.
Challenge accepted. Radio, let the data race begin.
Navigating long distances? That's where I shine.
But when it comes to rapid local transmission, microwave are unmatched.
Uh oh, interference. Can radio waves overcome the obstacle?
Interference, microwave adapt and find a clear path in an instant.
Maybe we are different, but imagine what we could achieve together.
A good radio, a harmonious blend of radio wave and microwave can create a seamless digital symphony in the interconnected world of networks. Radio waves and microwave join forces, each contributing their strengths.
In the digital dance of connectivity, every wave plays a crucial role.
Together, we ensure a seamless and fast-paced digital experience for all.